We're trying to make a valve company that's different to all the others. And we've just got to make the things right to get there. It's all about the journey. We supply globally, all the markets in the world. Quality has always been at the height of what we do. It's the most important thing. We've got to make sure that everything's right, everything's done in the right way. If the quality's not right, lives can be lost.
It's ensuring that we maintain the specification that the customer requires. We're trying to innovate as much as possible, to get the best that there is. It's alright that it works, but can it work better? And that once the job's done, you can look at it afterwards and be like, yeah, that's exactly what I set out to achieve.
Everything that comes off the machine gets inspected. Quality starts when things come through the door. We'll get a casting in, that gets checked over visually. Make sure there's no surface defects. We make reports on everything we do.
Working in Shipham's basically opened my eyes to a lot more. It's also moulded me into the engineer that I am today. It's impressive when it all comes together and it's doing what it's supposed to. It is something you created.
And this is why we work so well as a team. We sort of live it, live and breathe machining.
You get to see something that you imagined, and then seeing it come to life is almost magical.
I'm really proud of what we've achieved. It's testament to all of us.
It can be beautiful, Not everybody sees it like that, but the team we have here do. They're excited about it and pushing them boundaries. It's really good to be a part of that and work alongside them.
From where we were to where we are now, it is unbelievable. I wish I had a window that you could just stand and look at it.